Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by eliminating the simplest causes. Check physical volume and mute switches on both the source and the speaker or headset. Once done, examine cables and connectors for damage and receipt plugs. A bad jack often kills loudness. Then connect the same speakers to a different phone or laptop to determine whether the problem lies in the source or the speakers. Make sure power or batteries are charged. Low power can limit amplifier output and cause quiet sound. Next, you address software. Open system sound settings and confirm the correct output device is selected, then check per app volume sliders. Some apps have independent levels. After that, update or reinstall audio drivers or firmware because corrupted drivers limit output. Once drivers are healthy, inspect sample rate and bit depth. Mismatches can trigger digital attenuation, and disable any automatic gain control or limiter. Also use the equalizer cautiously. Boosting mids and highs can increase perceived loudness without distortion. To finish, if software and drivers are fine, add a trusted volume booster app or an external amplifier/DAC to safely raise output. Hardware amplification often fixes low ceiling issues. If sound remains weak, test with powered speakers or replace old headphones. Drivers and magnets degrade. Finally, reset audio settings as a last resort to remove stubborn configuration problems. Troubleshooting tip: if loudness drops only with one app, reinstall that app and clear its cache before resetting system-wide settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.